Hello everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to manage your GPU server and GPU clusters using Soika Stack. So once you have signed up to this application, which is completely free, you can see the dashboard and see how many GPUs in your workload, see the basic operation statistics you might have in your GPU computer, including your running applications, and the limits and capacity with the dashboard. Also, you have a playground, so you might be fine-tuning or calibrating your existing models. Basically, you might be using this application first time with no LLMs installed yet. So you have a catalog with the exposure to all existing latest LLM models. MIT license specifically for enterprises, etc. So the biggest models with no limits can be downloaded using this catalog, including industrial or specific models like text-to-speech, video models, VLMs and LLMs, image generators or video generators, etc. So these catalog will be updated and always be cutting edge for your disposal. In the models section, you see how many models actually running right now on the machine, and this software support the synchronous running of the AI models, and also administrator can always activate an API for each and every model and assign them specifically to different divisions. You can stop and pause models in this section or delete them permanently and deploy some other model anytime. You have different types of models in a catalog. So you might have some presettings or some additional settings after the deployment. So basically, you can see what type of model installed and operating at the moment in this section. You might be using a few different type of models simultaneously. In resources section, you see what kind of workers activated, your operational statistics, and you see GPUs, which is active, and assign workers, which is active, which is actually can be managed as your company needs. And this software is very useful for clusterization also. So if you log in under administrator mode, you actually can add other machines in your local network to the cluster. This is how you basically add the machine to the cluster. So under administrator mode, you can get the key out of your deployment and call the command, which is calling a Soika station token. Just following this instruction, and this CLI will easily can find the GPU in the network. And if you have another machine with a Soika stack, you always can get a token and link these machines into the cluster. So once you have a token, you just put this, copy paste this command, and the bundle will be triggered. So once you have a token of the machine you're supposed to clusterize, you add a token here and finalize the linking process. And here we go. So make sure you have status as administrator when you log in for the first time. And the latest step is to check if your if your cluster has been created. Any machine in local network can be part of the clusterization, including those GPU machines you might have earlier. So next thing is to activate an API key to the whole application. You can activate an API key. So this assignment might be different for different departments. For example, and also you can have a specific API for each and every model. User assignment is very easy, so you can add additional managers might be using this ecosystem and different APIs for those users. It's very easy to add a new user and assign a role to the user. So basically, the enterprise can manage multiple users for the GPU stack and actually switch those LLMs as you go. Another software, which is Soika Stack, will handle AI agent design for the company. This Soika Stack acts as the basic layer as your cluster manager software. So I hope everything was clear and you guys understand now how to utilize the Soika Stack effectively and a basic layer, and wish you all the good luck. Thank you very much for attention and see you soon.